Hi, in this video we are going to delegate the administrative control of an organisational unit to a specific user. So on our PDC, where we deploy all our group policies from, so we just move to the PDC. I've got open the Active Directory users and computers, and we can see here that we have organisational units based on job function, like dentists and doctors and nurses, pathology, pharmacy, radiography. And then we've got organisational units based on geographical location, like London, New York, Tokyo. And what we're going to do is assume that, for example, Tokyo needs its own local network administrator, rather than having me run it, as being, say, the network administrator for the entire organisation. I might delegate administrative control of the Tokyo organisational unit to a person that lives over there. So I'm going to create a user account in this organisational unit, and I'll just call him TK admin. TK admin and the usual password, and I'll just set that his password never expires and go next and finish. So we've got an admin person. We want to make sure that he's actually a member of the administrators group. So right mouse click and add to a group, advanced. We're doing it at the domain level here now. So he's going to be a domain administrator, but I could actually change the location to the Tokyo organisational unit, and what I'm going to do is do a find now. There's no users in there, so what I need to do is go back to the domain level and do a find now, and I can find an administrators group, which is a global security group, and I'm going to make him a member of the global security group administrators. So TK admin is a member of the administrators group, and what I want to do is delegate the administrative control of this organisational unit, Tokyo, to the user TK admin. So right mouse click on the Tokyo organisational unit and delegate control, and it comes up with this wizard. We'll go next, and we're going to add a selected user or group. We're going to add a user, and you can see currently it's at the domain level. I want to change that location to the Tokyo organisational unit. And if I go advanced and find now, what it does is it finds all of the global security groups plus any of the users that are in that Tokyo organisational unit. So that's where we see the TK admin person. So I'm going to select the TK admin and go OK. OK. Next. And on this list here we can look at what sorts of tasks I want to delegate to this user. So I could actually have two administrators, one that just handles creating and manage user accounts and resetting passwords, and just delegate just that to the TK admin, and then maybe have another user for modifying groups and things like that. Now in this case we're going to give the TK admin the ability to create, delete and manage user accounts, change passwords, create, delete and manage groups, modify group membership, and manage group policy links. We could also allow him to be able to do some troubleshooting, like generate resultant sets of policies for planning and logging. And we might leave it at that. So group policy, groups and memberships of those groups, users, accounts and passwords and resets and that sort of thing. So that's what we're delegating to the TK admin user account. Next. And then it takes its time. And then we finish. So that is how you would delegate the administrative control of an organisational unit to a specific user, which is something that you do quite commonly in a multi-site environment.